There are many different sizes and shapes of lock sets, but they all have the following main components: a latch or bolt, a lock cylinder, a box, and a strike plate. A spring latch or deadbolt holds the door shut when it is locked. A spring latch allows you to close a door while it is locked. A deadbolt requires the door to be closed before it can be locked. Many lock sets have both a spring latch and a deadbolt, so the door will always stay locked by the spring latch, but the deadbolt can also be engaged for added security. A lock cylinder or lock body consists of a plug with a keyway and an outer case. Inside there are spring-loaded key pins of varying length. Most locks have either 5 or 6 pins. Between the key pins and the springs are driver pins. When the correct key is inserted, it will align all of the key pins with the edge of the plug, which allows the plug to turn. Some lock sets can have multiple driver pins with at least one key pin. This allows the use of separate keys for each lock and a master key that will open all locks. When the key is inserted and turned, it engages a mechanism that moves the spring latch or deadbolt. The box and strike plate guide the latch and bolt and secure it in place when locked. The box is inside the door and the strike plate is installed on the door jamb.